The ZHIYUN Smooth Q3 is here, and in this video we will put it through its paces and we will discuss if it is worth upgrading from all the current smartphone gimbal options that are out there at the moment. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys, Julian from Smartphone Filmmaking Pro.com here, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. And today we will test the all-new 3-axis smartphone gimbal from ZHIYUN, the Smooth Q3. When you order this gimbal, you get two different options. Either you could go just with the gimbal or you could go for the combo package, and this is the one that I got and this is the one that I'll show you in this video. In the box you get this very nice looking carrying case, a little table tripod, a USB to USB Type-C cable, some literature, this premium membership card, and of course the gimbal itself. And when you set the gimbal up for the very first time, you should download the ZHIYUN app from the App Store or from the Play Store to connect your gimbal to your smartphone. When I got the gimbal, I only got to use the beta app, and unfortunately it was not working on my iPhone. But a full walkthrough through the app and a setup video will come very soon. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you have not already. So let's talk about the most important thing, and that is the overall steadiness and the footage that you can create with this gimbal. And I think the best way to show you how good a gimbal works, well, is just by watching some footage, so have fun. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the footage. And by the way, everything was shot on my iPhone 12 Pro. I was very surprised with the ease of use and the steadiness of the gimbal. No matter if I was doing push-ins, parallax, and even if I was running, the gimbal stayed surprisingly steady. So overall, a big thumbs up from my side. Especially changing between the different modes is a nightmare on other gimbals like the ZHIYUN 4, for example. And here on this gimbal, on the ZHIYUN Smooth Q3, it's super easy just with a press of a button, so also huge thumbs up there from my side. So let's talk about the different buttons and how you use this gimbal. Once you've balanced it, on the back of the gimbal you find a power on button. Just press this for like a second or two and then your gimbal turns on and automatically, fine-tunes your balance, and you are basically good to go. On the side of the gimbal you do have a little zoom rocker that I personally am not a huge fan of, because on phones it zooms in digitally, which means that you are going to lose quality whilst zooming. On the front of the gimbal you have kind of like a list of all the different modes, and by tapping on the mode button you switch between them. And like I said, I really like this and I found it super easy and intuitive to use. Below the mode switcher you have a little red button to start and stop your recordings, and next to that you have a little joystick to pan and tilt your gimbal in whatever way that you would like to. And on the back of the gimbal, below the on and off switch, you have a little button to activate several different settings depending on how long and how often you press it. But more about that on the full walkthrough and in the full review of this video. Overall, I have to say I really like this gimbal, and I have to say in the past I was using other gimbals from ZHIYUN like the Smooth 4, and I actually have to admit that I was not really liking this gimbal. It was super huge, it was just not very intuitive, and overall I just did not feel very comfortable using it. With this one, I feel very comfortable. I was using it for like 4 minutes and I know where everything was and I felt very comfortable using it. So for me personally, yes, I really like this gimbal, and yes, ZHIYUN did send me this gimbal up front, but no, they did not pay me. And everything you hear throughout this video and throughout every video on my channel is 100% my true and honest opinion. So there is that. So overall, to summarize this video, I have to say I really like the ZHIYUN Smooth Q4. First impressions were very positive. I really liked using it and the footage was looking superb and very steady. I am currently already working on a full review on this gimbal and also on a comparison between this one and the DJI OM4. So let me know down below in the comments if you would like to see anything specific, and then I will make sure to cover these aspects in the full review. But that's it for now, and in case you don't know who we are Smartphone Filmmaking Pro, the ultimate online course about smartphone filmmaking. If you want to step up your smartphone video quality from looking somewhat like this to more professional looking footage like you saw throughout this video, definitely make sure to watch my totally free webinar where I share the top 5 secrets to shooting cinematic videos with your smartphone. But that's it for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got some value out of it. Definitely check out the gimbal. Definitely subscribe if you have not already. But that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.